Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and change your Snapchat username without waiting a year. But before we start our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. If you want to do so, first of all, let's go and open our Snapchat. Once the Snapchat is open, what you're going to do, simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon over here, go to the settings, and now you can go ahead, tap on this username and change your username, right? So if obviously you will read over here, your username can only be changed once a year. Or like, unfortunately, if you have already changed your username and you would like to change it back within a year, what you gotta do is swipe down, find this option called I need help over here, type in change username, and tap on this how to change my username one. So this is not gonna work for us, so what you're gonna do, simply go ahead, tap on this X icon, now choose a option. So tap on this article didn't answer my question, and tap on this submit option right here, and now you will tap on this contact us. Go ahead, choose another option, tap on this I need help with Snapchat feature, go ahead and then you will again swipe down, tap on this settings option given, and then you will tap on this other option right here, and now you can see this kind of interface, right? You will enter your username, your email address right here, and then you will type a description saying, hey, I have accidentally changed my username, please help me rechange my correct username, right there in Snapchat, and tap on submit. This request will be submitted to Snapchat management team. They will look it up and will let you know there in your email how you can do it or what is the solution for it. So yes guys, this is the only way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.